All right, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a custom marketing GPT for your Shopify store. If you are a founder doing roughly around, really any range, really. Like if you're doing under 1 million, you should absolutely have this as your first employee. I think it's a no-brainer. So I'm going to create this GPT so that it can help us write marketing copy. It can help us to really do so many things really fast, and I'm going to try to build this in around 3 to 5 minutes. And the key here is you have to give it good data. So I'm going to give it this fictitious brand. I'm going to give it like a brand guide, a messaging guide, and we're going to theme it around like this. We'll say like a dorm sleep mattress topper thingy. Like, we'll just kind of create one, and we will go ahead and first I'm going to start by asking GPT. Create a prompt for me to create a custom GPT that will be a world-class marketer based on the messaging guide, brand guide, and levels of awareness messaging doc I give you. And so I'm going to have it kind of write some of the prompts out, and I want it to, then I'm going to basically give it a brand guide, a messaging guide, and a levels of awareness prompt that goes from unaware to problem aware, solution aware, product aware, and most aware. And that's really where the human side thinking work takes place, where as humans we have to think about strategy and think like, what would I say in that part of the document and all of those pieces. And so that's really where a lot of this work is taking place, and like a lot of the pieces that I'm doing is around that. And then I'm gonna feed it this. I'm gonna show you how to make a custom GPT right now. So we'll call the GPT strategist. All of this works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to explore GPTs. I'm going to go to create, and we'll call this sleep GPT. I wonder what this create one is. Oh. Yeah, we'll call it Sleep GPT. We'll give it these instructions. And I'm going to say write email marketing copy. And then this one, actually, I'll just say email marketing copy. Add concepts, creative, meta, add creative, marketing strategy, and then add copy and landing page copy. So I kind of put these different prompts in, and then I do always tell it, always important is, while I'm doing this, I'm gonna upload in my knowledge. I like uploading files in there, so that way we have a couple different pieces around messaging and brand guide, and let me upload files here. Let's see. We'll go to desktop. And this levels of awareness. So I have levels of awareness, a brand guide, and a messaging guide. And these are kind of the prompts that will be these things. And yeah, these other copy pieces. So I'm always going to tell it, always ask me to clarify what I mean first to make sure you have all you need to give me the best output. Perfect. Oh, and then I like to say no hyphens ever. No hyphens ever in any of the copy you give, and always in our brand voice making sure to reference the knowledge doc I gave you for knowing about our brand and speaking like us to college students and their parents. Less is more. All right, so we have that GPT. Now we'll go ahead and hit create, and that will create our GPT. I'm going to go ahead and have that as a link, and this will absolutely help us crush any copy work we're doing. And so let's just say we wanted to write a GPT for, say we had a email that was going out about Mel Robbins, who was seen with our mattress topper. So we would say we want this subject line, preview, header copy, and all of that about with our mattress topper. And let's write that out. So email marketing copy. Email is called using our topper email. I'll say it's for parents. Every stage. Education email. And read more. And both top products. And then email is called that. Give me copy in this format. And we could even train the GPT to say when it's an email copy, we want these pieces. Boom. And it should give us a nice email. Yep. And then this is basically the email that it wrote out for us. So this is super nice, super simple. Give to me. Sometimes I like to do give to me on a grid from left to right. I can copy and paste. And then we can just drop that right in here. And so that way we could just go like that. And then this would be the body copy down here. And yeah, that's an easy way to just copy that and drop it in here. Like that. All right, let's just this one there. And for the body copy, we just put in a little bit more here. There we go. And usually what I'll do is like pull this over, and then call to action text is see more, and then we can link up to the proper item that we want to link to. But that's how you can literally write it so fast. And if you're like, give me 2 more versions, or I could say do for these emails as well. And we could literally take the whole calendar here and have it write all of these. And then what I like to do is take this and then put it into the editing side of things. So then just kind of let it start doing its thing. And it's going to write all the different copy out for us. Because it knows there's so much there, it's just going to let it go. And this is really how you can get it all to help you in your voice in a way that sounds like it's you. It all in one grid with all body copy and that in the column. And let's see if it can do it, because I see it like parsing that out. But let's see if it lets body copy live in that body copy column. I don't know why it's doing that. Huh. Now we could finesse it a little more, and we will eventually get it there. But this is how you can literally turn your hire your next person that kind of can work for you 24/7 on these things. And as long as you set up the right systems, you can ultimately put in all those pieces, and then we can just copy and paste that all here. And I truly do like to go through and read, and like, this is just a 0 to 60. I want to go from 60 to 100 with, adding in our finesse and using our imagery and doing everything that we would do as human beings who know other human beings, but this gets us dang close. If you like this type of stuff, let me know in the comments below. If you want me to help you do this for your brand, I actually do a 5-day challenge where me and you work one-on-one with your Shopify store. And I'd love to be able to help you with something like this in that 5-day challenge and build one of these out with you live for your store. Just go ahead and hit that link. If you're doing over $5K a month on Shopify right now and you're looking to break $1 million a year, which is doing around $85K a year, then go ahead and apply down below. It's a free call for you and me to see if you're a good fit. And then from there, we'll book in the challenge to work together for 5 days. And until then, don't forget to work to live. Joe Chavez signing out. Peace.